Good evening, boys. Today I am going to teach you curvature. It is a very important topic for the BSc, BTech and BE students, right? First I will tell the definition of the curvature, right? What do you mean by a curvature? Okay, simple word and curvature ante just bending. Okay, how much it is bended is nothing but a curvature, right? But exact definition I am telling to you. See you. The rate of change of tangent. Tangent means bentness of curve of any curve at any point on that curve is called a curvature. See here, this is the curvature, this is the curve. I draw my tangent at the point P. Okay, how much it bended, and that part is said to be a what curvature. That is nothing but the rate of change of tangent is nothing but a curve, which is denoted by K. Denoted by. Now I will tell you radius of curvature then next, right? Fine. What is the radius of curvature? This radius of curvature is totally dependent on the what? Curvature. What is that? Curvature. I am writing the definition. See here. The reciprocal of curvature at any point of that curve y is equal to f of x is called radius of curvature. Which is denoted by R or simply you can write rho. What is that? Rho like this. Understand or not? So this is the radius of curvature. Okay? Where rho is equal to 1 by k, because reciprocal of the curvature. K is a what? Curvature. Understand? Okay, fine. Now I have different forms of radius of curvature. How to find out the formulas? Okay, in different forms. Mainly there are different three types of forms. Number one, Cartesian form. Number two, parametric form. Number three, polar form. Right? Fine. See here. Formulas of radius of curvature. Right? Number one, Cartesian form. वो CIAN है ना, देखो See you. Formulas of radius of curvature, right? First one, which form? Cartesian form. Cartesian form means the function is given under two variables y and x. What are those? Y and x. Y is equal to f of x. In this, y is the what? Dependent. X is a what? Independent variable. Okay. The formula of the radius of curvature rho is equal to, remember, right? 1 plus y1 square whole to the power 3 by 2 by y2, right? Where y1 is nothing but, tell me, first derivative dy by dx, because who is the independent variable? X. है ना? Fine. y2 2 times the derivative. What is that? By dx square. Have you understand? Okay, fine. Like that. Note, okay, when the function y is equal to f of x is given, you are writing like this. This is the formula. Similarly, x is equal to f of y. Who is the dependent variable? X is a dependent, y is independent. So tell me what you have to write. Simply it will be changes, right or not? Rho is equal to x1 whole to the power 3 by 2 x2. What is that? x2. Where x1 is equal to dx by dy, because y is a dependent variable. Y is a dependent variable. And x2 is equal to d square x by dy square. Have you understand? Pakka? Okay, write down. The next, I will tell you, second one, parametric form. Parametric form. Parametric form. Parametric form. Parametric form means here two independent variables. Understand? Only one dependent variable. How is that? If x is equal to x of t, okay, comma y is equal to y of t, right? Then rho is equal to, okay, see here, x with respect to what? T. Y with respect to what? T. X is a dependent, T is a independent. Y is a dependent, T is a what? Independent. Only one independent variable. But how many dependent variables? Two. Understand? Fine. So tell me, x1 square plus y1 square whole to the power 3 by 2 by x1 y2 minus, tell me, x2 y1. Have you understand? Where, see here, where x1 is equal to how much? Dx by dt. y1 is equal to dy by dt. x2 is equal to, very good, d square x by dt square, and y2 is equal to, very good. Have you understand? This is nothing but parametric form. So remember, one problem is given, he is asking find the radius of curvature. So it is very important to us to remember that first the given problem in which form. Is it a Cartesian form, na parametric form, na polar form? Have you understand? We have to remember first that only. Right? Then after you have to apply the what? Formula. As usual. Right? Fine. Third one is the what? Third one, the next third point, polar form. What is that? Polar form. You know, polar form is the relation between r and theta. Yes, r is the radius. Okay, r is the radius and theta is the angle. Theta is the angle. Okay. Polar form. If r is equal to f of theta, f of theta, then rho is equal to r square plus r1 square whole to the power 3 by 2 by r square plus 2 r1 square minus r2 r2 where r1 is equal to how much? Who is the independent variable? Theta. So tell me dr by and r2 is equal to d square r by d theta square. Have you understood or not? Write down. Okay. Now I will give an example to you for finding radius of curvature. But here you have to recognize that the problem belongs to which form. Right? Okay. See example 1. Find the radius of curvature y square is equal to 2x 3 minus x square d 2x into 3 minus x square at 1 comma 2. At 1 comma 2. Understand or not? See here. We have to find the radius of curvature y square is equal to 2x into 3 minus x square at 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means it is a point is given to us. In this point, see here, very very important. X is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? 2. This is a x and this is a what? Y. Understand or not? Okay. Solution. Given y square is equal to 2x into 3 minus x square. Can you tell me which form this one? The relation between y and x, I told that first bit. Okay, first formula. What is that? Cartesian form. This is a what? Cartesian form. Remember formula. Forms are very important, right? Cartesian form is the relation between what and what? Y and x. Okay? Fine. See you. This implies y square is equal to how much? 2 into 3? 6x minus 2x cube. Have you understood or not? Fine. Okay. So, therefore, radius of curvature is equal to what is the formula? Rho is equal to, tell me, 1 plus y1 square 3 by 2 by y2. Have you understand? Right. Fine. Equation 2. We have to get what? Where? y1 is equal to what is that? dy by dx. Okay, you have to find the derivative of what? From equation 1. Okay, from this we have to find what? y1. Okay, dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx. And y2 is equal to d square by dx square. Okay, see here. Since y square is equal to how much? 6x minus 2x cubed. है ना? Differentiate with respect to what? Who is the independent variable? X. Right or not? Independent. X. Okay. What is the derivative? Derivative. So you are writing that the d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of 6x minus d by dx of 2x cube. Are you getting my point? Okay. But here y is there. Here what is that? X. So how you have to write this one? d by dy. उससे पहले प्रॉब्लम करे तो याद है ना, इंटरचेंज कर रहे थे. यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? dy by dy is equal to derivative of 6 minus derivative of 2x cube 2 3 आ गया था, है ना? Square. Right or not? Fine. Yeah. So what we are getting? Derivative of y square 2y. है ना? Fine. 2y into what? dy by dx is equal to 6 minus x square. Are you getting my point? Fine. This is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 6 minus 6 common निकाल दो, 1 minus x square by what? 2y. है ना? Fine. 2 3 जा. Understood or not? Fine. dy by dx बोले तो क्या है? y1 है ना? Fine. y1 is equal to how much you got? 3 into 1 minus by y. Okay. Okay. See you. So how much you got? y1 is equal to 3 into 1 minus x square by what? Y. Understand? Fine. We got y1 value. Understand or not? This value you have to find out again. First I will find out y2, right? Fine. See you. Now, for this equation only I am rewriting here. You are multiplying here. y1 is equal to how much? 3 into, okay, 3 minus 3x square. Okay. What you have to get? y2. Right. For finding y2, again you have to do derivative this equation by what? X. Differentiate with respect to what? With respect to x. So tell me d by dx of y1 है ना? Fine. इसको a बिट दियो is equal to d by dx of 3 minus d by dx of 3x square. Are you getting my point? Fine. Okay. Say yo. This is the what u into v formula. What is that? Derivative of uv. What is that? u dv plus v du. Is it or not? Right. So tell me y into d by dx of what is that? y1 plus yes y1 derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of 3 0 derivative of 3x square minus 6x. Are you getting my point? Fine. This is y है ना. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y1 क्या होता, ये y1 बोले तो dy by dx है, अगर हम डेरिवेटिव कर रहे तो क्या आता, y2 आता, क्या आता y2 प्लस ये y1 है, y1 इंटू y1 कितना होता स्क्वायर. ओके बाद में लिखेंगे 6x. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? फाइन. सो y2 प्लस y1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6x है ना. फाइन. सो y2 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, माइनस 6x. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ये उधर लेके जाओ, माइनस y1 स्क्वायर है ना. ओके एंड y2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6x माइनस y1 स्क्वायर बाय क्या होता y2 आ गया, समझ में आ गया ना. दिस इज द बी इक्वेशन. Okay, now we have to find point is given to us now 1,2. अभी 1,2 पॉइंट पे y1 एंड y2 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. y1 y2 आने के बाद y1 y2 वैल्यू रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर में अप्लाई करेंगे, है ना. फाइन. सी at x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to what 2 है ना. सो इक्वेशन ए में देखो y1 इज इक्वल टू कितना है 3 इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स बोले तो कितना है 1 स्क्वायर बाई 2 that is equal to 3 into 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. y1 आ गया 0. ओके नेक्स्ट y2 कितना है है ना. बोलो माइनस 6 इंटू 1 माइनस y1 कितना आया 0 y1 understand whole divided by 2 why 0 minus 6 ये 0 minus 6 by 2 2 3 जा that is equal to minus 3 है ना. सो यहाँ पे क्या है y1 is equal to 0 and here y2 is equal to how much you got minus 3. have you understand? Substitute y1 y2 substitute y1 comma y2 in equation. कौन सा इक्वेशन है 2 है ना. देखो एक बार 2 देखो जी एक बार. ओके then in equation in above equation what is that rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole to the power 3 by 2 by y2 that is equal to 1 plus y1 how much you got 0 by what minus 3 rho is equal to how much you got 1 by minus 3. This implies rho is equal to always mod of minus 3 that is equal to 1 by 3. Rho is equal to 1 by 3. Remember one point I am telling to you, why you are putting mod this one you know, because radius always positive. If you are getting negative also, you have to write what? Positive. Since radius always positive. Curvature may be negative, but radius always positive. Have you understood? Any doubt? Okay, bye Nana.